Sweet potatoes. These vibrant orange flesh tubers are a feast for the eyes and a delight for the taste buds. They're not just for holidays anymore. Sweet potatoes have become a staple in everyday meals, bringing a touch of sweetness and a burst of nutrition to our plates. These vibrant tubers are like a secret weapon for good health. Rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants, they support your immune system and promote a healthy gut. Forget boring old potatoes. Sweet potatoes are here to shake things up. Whether mashed, roasted, or turned into fries, they add a unique flavor and texture to any dish. Imagine biting into a fluffy sweet potato. That's nature's candy right there. The natural sweetness and creamy texture make it a perfect comfort food. But hold on, this treat is packed with good stuff your body will love. High in beta-carotene, they help maintain healthy vision and skin. Ready to ditch the processed food and feel amazing? Sweet potatoes are versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of healthy meals, from salads to soups. Let's dive into the world of sweet potato power, discover new recipes, explore their health benefits, and see how this humble root vegetable can transform your diet and well-being. Sweet potatoes are like little vitamin bombs. These vibrant root vegetables are not just delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. They're bursting with vitamin A, which is super important for good eyesight. Just one medium sweet potato can provide over 400% of your daily vitamin A needs. Tired of those tired eyes? Sweet potatoes to the rescue. Vitamin A helps maintain a healthy vision and can even improve your night vision. And don't forget about fiber. It's like a superhero for your gut, keeping everything moving and grooving. Fiber aids in digestion, helps prevent constipation, and can even lower cholesterol levels. No more feeling sluggish. Fiber keeps you regular and happy. A diet rich in fiber can also help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management. But wait, there's more. Sweet potatoes are packed with antioxidants, those little ninjas that fight off bad stuff in your body. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can boost your overall health. They are versatile and can be baked, mashed, roasted, or even added to smoothies. Whether you're making sweet potato fries, a hearty pie, or a comforting soup, these nutrient-packed veggies are a fantastic addition to any meal. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab some sweet potatoes and fuel your body the right way. Think sweet potatoes are boring? Think again. They're like chameleons in the kitchen. You can roast them, mash them, fry them, even blend them into smoothies. How about some sweet potato fries baked to crispy perfection? Or a creamy sweet potato soup that warms you from the inside out? Get creative. Cube them into stews, spiralize them for noodles, or stuff them with your favorite toppings. Sweet potatoes are your blank canvas. Section 4. Everything in moderation, listening to your body. Now, before you go all in on the sweet potato train, remember, everything in moderation. While sweet potatoes are nutritional powerhouses, too much of a good thing can sometimes cause a bit of bloating or gas. Listen to your body. Start slow and see how you feel. Your body will tell you what it needs. Section 5. Sweet potato powerhouse, a delicious path to wellness. Sweet potatoes are not just a tasty treat. They are a nutritional powerhouse that can transform your health. So there you have it. The humble sweet potato is anything but humble. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this root vegetable is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. It's a delicious and versatile ingredient that can add a powerful punch of nutrition to your diet. From boosting your immunity with its high vitamin C content to keeping your eyes bright with its rich beta-carotene, sweet potatoes are a true superfood. And your energy levels high, thanks to their complex carbohydrates that provide a steady source of energy throughout the day. Sweet potatoes are a gift from the earth. They are easy to grow and harvest, making them a sustainable choice for your diet. So ditch the processed junk that offers empty calories and little nutrition and embrace the power of the sweet potato. Whether you bake, roast, or mash them, sweet potatoes can be a delicious addition to any meal. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. So next time you're at the market, be sure to pick up some sweet potatoes and start your journey to better health today.